In a mystical forest, the animals feared the mighty fire dragon. One day, the dragon roared and flames danced across the land. The animals fled, but the wise old owl stayed. "Fear not," he hooted, "for the dragon's fire brings new life." As the flames subsided, seeds sprouted and flowers bloomed. The forest was reborn, more vibrant than before. The animals returned, amazed by the beauty. They realized the dragon's fire was a gift, not a curse. The owl smiled. Sometimes destruction leads to creation. And so, they lived in harmony, grateful for the dragon's fiery blessing. Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.